So, I just see an article where them say Masicka I gear up for doing last song, our final song after Tamale. What do you think about that? So even though we are say we rate Masicka and you see me, we know Tamale them build for this team. I rate Tamale, I'm telling you, say two bad artists. But what me really want to go on, I really want to see go on. I want to see the vendetta them involved in it. Masicka involved, Tamale, even Gaza Boss himself. Now that would be like a all-out war where the people them want to see for December. So if Masicka say, yo, I go jump out of the war, I tell you. That I go look one way and people them I go take that one way, dog. If say, yo, a running thing.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Brother, we know you're afraid of Alkaline. We know you're afraid of Alkaline. Because you'd have been answer Alkaline long time. I want to see if you go around this here now. I want to see if you go around this car. Tamale invite Alkaline to the war. I see if you go around a little one line the way say, you're afraid of the brother boss. I go see if you go answer. And what you go say?
Masicka, you're not a killer. Tapazigga left your panic gon' a crawl like caterpillar. From your this teacher man, we fully up a cap for that. Shut a snap your neck like me, a snap a picture. I one flow you living now, you're afraid of property tax. But this you even know the art of war. You are gonna die. Yo, Masicka, it's your birthday. Me a go murder you on your birthday. Me a go slaughter you on your birthday. Me no give a fuck, it's your birthday.
Them man ain't ready for that war yet. You see me? None of them. They song them now. I don't know. Like, I listen Masicka, I listen Tamale all the time. When them sing now.
First, never see him calm and a clash. First, never see him interested.
On a big stage.
And with a big man.
With a big artist, yes.
A big artist.
Yeah. In his prime.
Not joke artist.
Yeah, because he did go up on the market.
And a punk him a talk to now. This is not Alkaline. Where man him calm, them look at subliminal. No.
This song is not a diss song. I'ma find you a gap with Alkaline. I'ma find you a gap with Alkaline. Bro, may I tell you, dog, you're some regular, dog. The man just has to say some regular.
Viewers and subscribers, where Masicka do? Where Masicka do a drop final song? Masicka are using media to control the clash. What kind of final song him a go drop for this and right off Tamale? Him think him dictate how clash or how long clash figure? When Masicka forward out and say him a go do the last song, what kind of promotional clash this Masicka depend viewers and subscribers? What this? Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside with Nando. You know it's your boss Nando in our building with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So we see where Masicka forward out, not him, but Masicka send out to Quest Time and Me and Danger say him I go drop him final song for finish off Tamale. And where him depend? Where him really depend? Him know say if him drop the final song and not answer back, Tamale I run him and I dead him dead in a clash and this I go taunt him career, this I go depend him name. And when depend? When Masicka really depend viewers and subscribers? But viewers and subscribers, yeah, we have DeMarco I say some things about Masicka. In another vlog, yeah, we are gonna play DeMarco I say some things about Masicka. And also, we are gonna play a clippings with Nuffy I say some things about Alkaline. Claiming that or saying that Alkaline a punk or Masicka nah clash a artist we just a sing lyrics. What me not understand is we are promote artists now for be bad man in their music. Nuffy say Masicka a clash a real bad man. Me think clash was supposed to be art and a real life thing. So artists now start snitch on themselves if them a bad man in a real life. Nuffy a say Masicka a clash a real bad man. But viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like, subscribe and share and hit that post notification bell. Because the vlog here are going to be wicked. It's going to be a torture piece of vlog. So stick around, don't move a muscle. Make we play. DeMarco I say some things about Masicka. He must say Masicka, but Masicka this song are just a regular bad man song. He must say Masicka where lyrics them no make no sense some of the time in a clash. Listen what he must say.
Lifestyle, yo. You don't want me to repeat that, though. Shoot out now when we not hide. Hide.
40 running on your side.
40 run it on your side. Bro, 40 run it on your side. 40 run it on your side. Why you run 40 in a side?
Viewers and subscribers, you know see why I'm telling you some Masicka not ready for your clash with Alkaline, because him lyrics them don't make no sense some of the time, you know. Brother, you cannot spit lyrics so fast and just feel like the people now gonna notice say some of the words them or some of the things them don't make no sense. The man a create a storyline with them lyrics, right? Viewers and subscribers, and some of the time the lyrics don't make no sense. What kind of 40 run it in your side you talk about? I stab the man with the gun, bro. One, if I stab you, I stab the man with the gun. Viewers and subscribers, listen again.
You run 140 in a side, like. Him say something kind of where have a thing this one. Say, listen. You could have said that is a this. You could have said that is a this. No, that are the first thing where you could have said him really a style Tommy Lee. But everything else before that, no, crap. 40 running on your side. Yo.
Viewers and subscribers, I understand say we have to take with them Marcus say with a grain of salt. Because film name then a family song say him box Masicka. So we have to take with him say with a grain of salt. But Masicka I say some things in his song. Him lyrics them don't make no sense. Not all of his song, but some of the lyrics them 40 run it on your side like a stab man. Brother, you have to make your lyrics make sense. And the punchline them have to effective. Some of the punchlines them when Masicka are making of the song don't make no sense. Viewers and subscribers.
So we're going, so we're going, what you call it when the people them, yo, child care now, yo, with the people them, CPS. So we're going CPS, yo, you have a father as a child.
Viewers and subscribers, Masicka has a issue. He has a issue. A real issue. Him no know how to clash. Plain and simple. Masicka no know how to clash or write a proper this clash song. In punchlines them weak, right? And him a spit lyrics in a one dimension. In a one dimension. The man dynamics in the songs them is just plain and simple one. Which is why Tamale say, brother, you're afraid of property tax. You're just living at the one floor, bro. Masicka, me no know what. But you're in a dance hall for 15 years or 12 years. And you still can't write a proper this song, dog. Yes, this song them sound like Batman song. Bro, come on, man. But viewers and subscribers, me, I got play one clippings with Nuffy. I said some things about Alkaline. I want to tell Nuffy to go run up on their mother because he move like Vibes Cartel mouthpiece in a real life. The man has said Alkaline a punk or Alkaline or Masicka nah clash a punk. Me never know say the artist them to be bad man in a real life. Me think the music and clashing was just about the art. Me know Kendrick nah kill nobody, and me know Drake nah kill nobody. Cartel and Mavado clash, Mavado never kill nobody, and Vibes Cartel never kill nobody in a real life. A lyrics showing your skills, showing what you're capable of in a clash. So Nuffy I say Masicka is now clashing a real bad man. Him nah clash Alkaline, him nah clash punk Alkaline. I mean I say Nuffy go suck your mother youth.
Him I look up credit for. First me ever see him Masicka. Okay. First me ever see him come out and call people name. First me ever see him calm and a clash. First me ever see him interested.
On a big stage.
And with a big man.
With a big artist, yes.
A big artist.
Yeah. In his prime.
No, joke artist.
Yes, I see big dog from the mark.
And I'm coming to talk to now. This is no Alkaline. Where man him can't look at subliminal. No, that a go.
Brawling
Batman artist. This is no artist with no bad man DJ in argument.
It's not artist.
And say what you want to say.
Viewers and subscribers, Nuffy got forward at the enemy zone. The man go right over the enemy of Vendetta, so you know them all team up against him same way. The man a try punk out Alkaline. Remember Alkaline say man a punk on the back of field, you know. Let me tell you this, Nuffy. You see if Masicka forward out with him final song and ever this Alkaline, yeah, at this so Tamale and Masicka will get right off. And at this so the Gaza are go fall. Cause I can't tell if I go run out for save him 2 soldiers them, you know. Cause truth be told, viewers and subscribers, Masicka and Tamale, a Gaza them forward from same way. A Gaza and Gaza clash. So if Masicka this Alkaline in any way, him or dead. Him or go dead. So Nuffy, you go and run off your mouth. Yeah, go and run off your mouth. Your lip service. Yeah, punk try punk out Alkaline, but Alkaline are not punk. Yo, Masicka can't stand up against a Alkaline. So you talk, you go and talk. Go and talk.
But it's the truth. This artist away my talk about a real bad
really, right, that's what I said. Okay.
And the songs them is nice. I love.
What mean? This a artist away my talk about a real bad man. So me a talk, me a ask, we a promote the artists them for God they go do crime and be real bad man. I thought the lyrics was supposed to be lyrical and who bad lyrically writing. Them artists we are sing this song off of them one another. Them nah pull up on them one another and shoot them one another with the lyrics them what them a say. Tamale mention say I got this Masicka or Tamale mention say I pull up on Masicka and shoot him. On a real life thing the man them attack. So we are talk now say the artists them for be real bad man viewers and subscribers. Me can't understand this thing. Me can't understand this thing. And Masicka don't feel like you get where. You see if you run in another clash here, a white flag and funeral you go get. So you forward out and I say a last song you drop. Yo, me not understand. Masicka, you are dead in a clash, you know, youth. You are dead in the clash. You are dead in a blood clean clash. So you can go and talk. Viewers and subscribers, Masicka have a problem. And Tamale has solved it for him. Tamale say, fix him business fame. And all who a keep secret fame. Come look how the 14, come look how the 16 do him.
And you to this and even know the art of war. You are die. Masicka, it's your birthday. Me a go murder you on your birthday. Me a go slaughter you on your birthday. I'm not give a fuck, it's your birthday.
Masicka, do not run in the clash. Because if you run, your career are going to be tainted by the running man. You are going to be a running man. And then again, if you run, call the clash with you and Alkaline a last, you know. Because you can't clash Alkaline and a run. You cannot clash Alkaline and a run. And if you run, you can never stand up to an Alkaline. Alkaline wouldn't give you the time of the day. And the clash where the people them want to see are you and Alkaline. So nobody forward out and bow, you go run. And you go do the final song for right off Tamale. You think a so clash go? You think you can dictate the pace of clash? And final song me a drop? And what this? Remember Tamale no batty up the war like Vibes Cartel. Where I use style but last one through the jailhouse water. Hold him and find out same a clash. But last one because man a batty up war. And because my father done him and Alkaline done him with Ricochet and badness it name. So nobody do it.
You're not a killer. Tapazigya left your pan the ground and cry like caterpillar. From your this teacher man we follow up a kappa for that. Shut a snap your neck like me a snap a picture. I want flow you living and you're afraid of property tax.
Masicka, Tamale say you're afraid of Alkaline. Tamale say a one flow you living and you're afraid of property tax. The man a punch you up wicked. The man have you at the rails a punch you up. And you forward about one song, one friggin' song, last song. Where the blood clean this? I never see this. This is some promotional clash viewers and subscribers. The man a promote himself in a clash for drop him EP, for get, hey, okay. I never see smoke without fire. A December with interviewers and subscribers. Masicka always drop project in a December. So in forward out in a clash. Yo, I feel like a plan clash this same way, you know. A real plan clash this, you know. The man a promote himself in a December for drop him final song. For drop him album or him EP. Masicka, your career are gonna get tainted for the rest of your life. You might as well look past an Alkaline clash, because Alkaline now look past you. And viewers and subscribers, take it as me tell you now. Masicka now got this Alkaline. He might go look over the Alkaline line. And then people are going to call him a coward. See pattern, you know. See the pattern, yeah. Him say him a drop final song. And then, me know him not going to answer Alkaline. Him a look past it. Him a go make the people them call him a coward, call him a runner, and just go back to him regular thing. Drop him songs them. Because it all comes down to who a keep up in a dancehall space after the clash, you know. Who a drop music, good music. And that's all your show say you're a true artist. So Masicka is not a clash artist. Him can just look past a clash. Look past a clash, Masicka.
So me no need that. How did you know if you feel real or Jesus? Backstage in the beat, you say I mean that. The badness when you speak if you don't mean that. Looking at the Glock and you will find who catch around the table with a suicide note.
Masicka, Alkaline, not Alkaline. Tommy Lee, I deal with you, grimy. The man I say looking at me Glock, catch a pussy round the table and write a suicide note. And you really forward out say you're going to do one last song. You better come top that song, yeah. You better come beat that song in a Masicka. And if you forward do the one flow, call it say you're dead in a clash. Just call it say you're dead in a clash. And then, viewers and subscribers, people attack say we are beat Masicka bad. We have to beat Masicka bad. Because Masicka are dead. Masicka are dead in a clash by a dead man. When make the demon forward out from the death if you come kill Masicka. What is this? The man say, oh, I'm afraid of you know Jesus. Masicka, you really a make Tommy Lee a beat you after Tommy Lee dead by Jamil, dead boy Leroy. After Tommy Lee get dead by Bounty Killer in a clash. Viewers and subscribers, Tommy Lee dead multiple times in a clash. And Tommy Lee a beat Masicka. And Masicka forward up about him one last song. Yo, this don't make no sense. But viewers and subscribers, me I gonna play one clippings with one Kevin a talk about Masicka. Say Masicka a dead in a clash. Masicka a dead in a clash.
Masicka fans, tell the artist to change him flow. You no hear Tommy Lee beat him and tell him to change him flow. You no hear when we got to Tommy Lee and say, change your flow. What Tommy Lee do? You no see say Tommy Lee change him flow. You have to listen to the general public. You say you're bad. Change your flow. You still come back with song with the same flow. You know hear Tommy Lee create a damage. Yo, Tommy Lee put you to work in a youth. I don't care what you say. Tommy Lee, I put you to work. No man can't tell me nothing. Right now, where you there right now? Let me tell you this. The man a cause a damage in your career right now. Right where you there right now, wherever you turn up right now, the man a cause a damage. The man make you a turn idiot. The man make you say, why me answer to this man here? You never did expect Tommy Lee did have such power. Eh? You never did expect it. Tommy Lee come out and Tommy Lee actually go on Apple Music #1. Film second song. The man the #1. So
Viewers and subscribers, Masicka salt in the clash, you know. Masicka salt that Asia Beach in the clash, you know. Masicka salt, you know, because him a reveal now to the public say him can't stand up against the Alkaline. If you can't stand up against a Tommy Lee in a clash, right now in a clash, Masicka should have the upper hand, you know. In the clash, Masicka should have the upper hand, you know. So you're losing a clash now. You can't stand up against the Alkaline, dog. Come on, Masicka, we are say youth. What the hell you say, dog? You say you're gonna do your final song? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, Masicka? Come on, brother. You're there in the game for how much years, and you should know how to write a real clash song. The bad man song them where you write in a clash no make no sense. And so you go to clash. Where the punchline them there? Where the dynamics? Where is the dynamics? Where is the flow switch? The one flow where you have in a bad man song. Alright. Watch this, viewers and subscribers. Masicka have songs with multiple flows, right? But Masicka's Badman songs them only have one flow. Masicka Badman songs them only have one flow, viewers and subscribers. Talk to me, man, no man. Make me know in the comment section. Nothing a true me attack and a fake news. Masicka only have one flow when it comes to Badman lyrics, and he's exposing himself. Them have a thing where them say when the monkey go up too far upon the trees, him a go show him rear. Him a go show around the back him ass. So Masicka expose himself now in a clash. He's not fit for a clash.
I say the boy Tommy Lee skill. Yo, the man pull a craft for Masicka yesterday. For Masicka birthday, the man get a dirt day. Mr. Yo, the man invite Alkaline in the war neatly. I mean, what say invite Alkaline in the war because yo, everybody wants to see the war between him and Alkaline. Nobody just wants to see that. It's the war with Masicka and Tommy Lee. It's a nice war, but if Tommy Lee would have liked to see a war with Masicka and Alkaline, we've been a wait for a war there. But Masicka been a going like you know say Alkaline want war, man, I'm going like my idiot. Like, yo, call name. Brother. We know you're afraid of Alkaline. We know you're afraid of Alkaline. Because you'd have been answer Alkaline long time.
Viewers and subscribers, is a dead man a kill Masicka, you know? Is a dead man a kill Masicka, you know? Tommy Lee dead multiple times in a clash, you know? And him a killed Masicka, you know? Masicka, this is your first real clash. And you're there on the reels, bro. You're there on the reels, brother. This is your first real clash. You're there on the reels and Tommy Lee a thump you up. And you go forward out, but your one last song, your final song for right after Tommy Lee. So what if Tommy Lee answer back? You're not going to answer. Masicka, talk to me. You're not going to answer. You're going dead in a clash. You idiot, boy. You know no sense. You know no sense, Masicka. Come on, man. But viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. Because Masicka, brother, I'm lose off for you, dog. I'm lose off for you. You shouldn't have exposed. You know what? You know what catch Masicka? Masicka got caught up in the clash because of his emotions. He got caught up in the clash because of emotions and ego. Him thinks him better than Tommy Lee, so him not kill up himself for going in a clash. Brother, you need to take the clash serious. You need to forward with the A game. Forward with the A game, youth. You take the clash like light. Like you think say Tommy Lee a walkover. You should not look at your opponent as a walkover. Masicka, you hear that, dog? You hear that? You hear that?
None of them man in already for get a war yet. You see me? None of them. They song them now. I don't know. Like, listen Masicka, I listen to Tommy Lee all the time. When them sing normal songs, even normal gun songs even better than them clash song. I don't know, that's my opinion that. I listen Sparta every time. You see me? I say, I listen all music. I listen Masicka too. I listen every music, every genre. You see me? I say, but I see why I never answer my boy. You see it? I see why I never answer that. Bro, no. With this a clash of the show, I say them can't match up.
Brother, them can't manage Alkaline in our clash. Not one out of two artists them. Masicka, you want to know what real this song? Listen what real this song, Masicka. Hey, Nyam fuck boy force ripe. Whole place I say you no killer them or them a boss like. Pussy how we get a throat slice. Me rest me rifle for your temple in a real life on a fortnight. Go over them and go bust it. All of them take up back this strap but him better not chuck it. Your friend has set you up for funeral a little puppet. Tell the world how you feel for see a woman know your dog them a fuck it boy. Catch up on the spot coward that so you go finish Babylon your power with last time I'ma check all in a minute. Girl, them all attack, sound greener than a spinach. Suck your mama pussy shit belly and no image. Good anywhere we go in the street, you done someone you want to call the name and make the mother pronounce you. See him and them back say little fleshy them monks and you want to tell me say you wicked man look a punk you. They afraid. Pussy, they afraid. See if you roll out the bomber boy, you fall up in a grave. Who forgive we back, me no see which pussy so brave, him would have bury pan a hillside that we hear that in a cave. Fucker, they afraid when the rifle shot a blaze. If them clipper do push up, me pull up and see them a gears. Exercise me gun with accuracy. Now you hear the fagger run, but him not see no way to come out of the maze. Over them, he go bust it. All of them take up by the strap, but him better than chuck it. Your friend has set you up for funeral, a little puppet. Talk how your mama shelly dog out till all your friend them a fuck it. All a ugly one, they were think him a Ricky Rudy. No qualify for war, the lad, no time you still a newbie. Might have feel ready, cause you watch a dopey movie. You get a glimpse from couple strap, the boy not get no coochie. Pillow soft, know the fucker you jiggle, that's why me laugh. Up a radialism and turkey net living, and know the craft circuit, the man kick the mouse and push them out a simple task. Man, you want a friend and look. But this papa see a last. Them don't understand the baddest for them. It's a technical. We give them L because we gangster and we intellectual. Boy, you're not finding no shot at infection. You give the girl. Time you take the DNA, you should do a medical. Pussy. Cancer rooster dog. I make no foul play. You get calm without the flakes. You just a lip and don't play. Tampan boy, you know no. Bumbuckler. Clap the bin and lip on the monitor, sing out the ray. Me, nah, left nobody fi come back a okay. You get a Ursa rapid burst, a jump out of the HK. Country boy, no know where you turn, we find out where you stay. And bury and you suck pussy friend, the man a clear fold. Your general a freaky boy, we see the 9 after the 6. Then we kill you faster than sugar or chronic illness. Everything you take up like your wally mood when him a piss. But him and the whole of them better tamaneki and this. Gear bullet with a name and a casket well Chris. Shut up pull your teeth, but me a no dentist. Bullet to send them, that is our next this, but for now some end this. Masicka, you can't clash Alkaline. You're not ready for clash Alkaline. None at all. None at all. Your lyrics them basic. Why your lyrics them are still basic. You can't come to Alkaline. When it comes to metaphors, when it comes to dynamics, when it comes to word plays, when it comes to double entendres, Masicka, you are nowhere near Alkaline. Simple and plain. You are nowhere near. And since you are dead in a clash now, yeah, just call the clash with you and Alkaline. Alas, the only person who can clash Alkaline a cartel. Simple and plain. Simple and plain. When Alkaline say, Michael, we have you a bait man and make you know straight. Yes, so could the push she put about in your face. 357 buses splash him all over the place. Catch him over the sun and wiggle and a shake. Say them have him one me. They are so a weight. They've Nuffy go hard, me kill it with a 38. Now use me rifle, me now shot for waste, man. The prayers can't save it, no matter how she pray. Say them a corral, me spot him from a mile a step. Boy dead from me leg out the fighter jet. Not wise I try run him life. What take squid over me out or child see sight dead. Hey, stop follow up me style. You can't be me. But for your sister look boy, you're not bad for me. Me lock this city by mistake. A man called take be a killer's man power with your power with police. Now if you turn go, now if you run go, throw tire pan your gas light and burn you. Try sneak. This my brawling gun down. You bust the place until the 40 place start upside down. So walk you over until I'm over. Buckler, Masicka, you can't clash Alkaline, dog. So all you hear Nuffy attack viewers and subscribers, but Alkaline or Masicka not clashing a punk. I true them know say Masicka can't clash Alkaline. A cartel alone. Cartel alone. And right now, cartel in a retirement stage. Not even him can clash Alkaline. Me not say who in a dance hall now can clash a Alkaline. Viewers and subscribers, share on the thoughts in the comment section and make me know what you think. Cause Jaja God. Them two artists are amateur clash a go on. Amateur as me tell you now. Masicka, just call it a loss, bro. Just call it a loss. And this a go tarnish your career. And then you forward out and say last song. Bro, you're idiot, dog. You're idiot. You should not try to dictate the clash. Stay in your lane and clutch and wait till your song drop. And then you can throw it on the internet and chew up whatever you chew up and rare. You're idiot. I guess maybe because you don't want the Alkaline line for address. You don't want address it. That's why you say, are too heavy for your altar. Because if you this Alkaline in any form of way, Alkaline are going to run out. Viewers and subscribers, Alkaline forward out this year and say, no, Keyman, tougher than Leland. We not punk on the battlefield. No, we not wet bread. Alkaline said that, you know. Alkaline. So if we not forward out and try any local thing, man say no. We don't know 48 laws, we know millions. So, if we not try interject Alkaline in a clash, him a go write off the 2 hour career. Him a go write it off. Viewers and subscribers, share on the thoughts in the comment section. And make me know what you think. You know it go. Our vibes and inside with Nando with another episode. I'm out. Peace.